Good morning, students. So, yesterday classes. So, 3.4. Okay, we have started for 12th question. Solution for 12th one. So, write down. So, in that 3.4, 12th question. Solution for 12th question. Okay. So, in this exercise, we have to find the inverse. Okay. So let us take given matrix as A equal to 6 minus 3 minus 2 1. Okay, yes. So again go for elementary row operation. Okay, yes. I will go for elementary row operation, that is A equal to IA. Alteration in this A, in this side. So what is your A matrix? 6 minus 3 minus 2 1 is equals to I is nothing but 1 0 0 1. So into A remains same. Okay. Our target is try to convert this A matrix to I matrix. Okay. LHS A matrix try to convert it into I matrix. 1 0 0 1. Okay, yes. See here, is it possible this 6 convert into 1? 100% possible I think, but if you divide it by 6, this will get into fraction. So I have already told you, if this becomes fraction, then next step ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 by 6 1 by 2 ಇತ್ತು, ಅದು next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ it is difficult to make it to 0. So therefore come to this one, ಇದನ್ನ 0 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ 0 ಮಾಡೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಐತೆ 100%. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ 3 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದರ ಜೊತೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ 3 ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 by 3 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 100%. therefore applying R2 changes to, I will try to make this element into 0. So what is your operation now? What you have to apply? That is R2 plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 2 ಐತಿ, ಇದನ್ನ 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, that is 1 by 3 times R1. okay, because 6 by 3 2 1 minus 2 plus 2 0. therefore this becomes 6 minus 3 as it is, this one 0 na first element. okay, check for this one, 1 plus 1 by 3 into minus 3, 1 minus 1, it is also 0. see here, therefore this is equal to, apply simultaneously for this. so R1 remains same, this one 0 plus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3, this becomes 1. so whatever may be, if the all elements of any row or column becomes 0, then what is your conclusion? A inverse does not exist, because elements of all the elements of second row of LHS in this matrix, remember this one. okay, therefore this implies very good conclusion of the, so that implies since all the elements of R2 means second row are 0. okay, therefore A inverse does not exist. that is your conclusion. now let's note only. okay, I have given the notes. Note on this already. If all the elements of any row or column becomes 0, so then A inverse does not exist. okay, 100% ನಮ್ಮ target A to I 80, but in between if you get all the elements 0, then A inverse does not exist. okay, so since all the elements are entries, all the elements of R2 okay, of LHS are Okay, yes. So go for next solution, that is question number 13. Okay, question number 13. Go for that one. Solution for 13th question, that is your, let us take the given matrix as A. Let A equal to matrix. 13th one is 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Again, I will go for elementary operation. What is the equation? A is equal to IA. Only changes in this A matrix, in this I matrix. That is A remains same throughout the procedure. Therefore, A matrix is 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2 equals to I matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Our target is try to convert this LHS into I matrix. Our target is convert A into I matrix. Okay, yes. See here. So I will try to convert this 2 into 1. Is it possible? 100%. If I addition madri, that becomes 1. It means applying R1 changes to R1 plus R2. Okay, yes. Then what is the first element? Corresponding elements 1. This one minus 1, and R2 remains the same. Again, simultaneously apply for this matrix also. This becomes 1. This is also 1. R2 remains same into A as it is. Again, our target is this element. Convert this minus 1 into 0. Yes, easily. Is it possible? Yes. Applying R2 changes to R2 plus R1. Okay. So this becomes R1 remains same and R2 corresponding elements minus 1 plus 1, 0. So this one 1. Okay, yes, is equals to simultaneously for this matrix R2 changes to, that is 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, it is 2 into A matrix. Okay, yes. Go for next step, next operation. So our target is try to convert this minus 1 into 0. Is it possible? Yes. Again, go for applying R1 changes to R1 plus R2. Applying, okay? Yes. Applying R1 changes to R1 plus R2. So this becomes corresponding elements 1 plus 0, that is 1, minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. R2 remains as it is 0, 1 is equals to, simultaneously apply for this one. What is the result now? 1 plus 1, that is 2, this one 3, and this remains same. Okay, therefore once you get the I matrix, it is your A inverse. Therefore A inverse is nothing but 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, that's all. So check for the answer. Question number 13. Check for answer. Okay. 3.4. Check for the correct answers. 3.4. The answer is 13th question. 2, 3, 1, 2. Yes, it is the correct answer. So next go for the solution number 14. Okay, yes. Solution number 14. Go for that one. Question number 14. Okay, students. See solution number 14. Again, take the given matrix as A matrix. Let A matrix is 2 1 4 2. 2 1 4 2. Okay. Yes. So again go for elementary operation. That is your equation is A is equal to I. So only alteration in this A, in this I. A matrix is nothing but 2 1 4 2. Okay. Is equal to I matrix is 1 0 0 1 into A matrix as it is. Our target is try to convert this LHS matrix into I matrix. Okay. Yes. See here. Therefore, see here first element, is it possible to convert this into 1? Yes, obviously it is possible, because if you dividing by this 2 by 2, it means you get 1, because problem in this one, it becomes fraction. This element convert into fraction. So go for this 4. Is it possible to convert 4 to 0? Yes. I will apply R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1 100%. Therefore, what is your new matrix now? 2 1 as it is. Go for this operation. Corresponding elements, it becomes 0. This one 2 minus 2, it is also 0. Okay. Yes. E is equals to 1 0. This element is nothing but minus 2. This one is 1. See here. Again, you have all the elements zeros in the second row. Okay. Second row 0 all the elements. Therefore, what is your conclusion? Yes. 0 column. If you go for the column operations, you will get all the zeros in any column. So that time A inverse does not exist. Okay. So since all the elements. Since all the elements of row 2 of LHS are 0. Okay. All elements make one elements karala. If all the elements, okay, then therefore A must does not exist. A must does not exist. Okay. So this is for 14th one. Go for 15th, 16th, 17th. Those are 3 cross 3 matrices. Okay, 3 cross 3. So now 3 cross 3.